Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today on How We Cooking Time, we are going to make some nice spicy Cajun chicken wings. So if you want to learn this recipe, please stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. So guys, in my bowl I have my chicken wings. I have already cleaned them with the lime and vinegar. Now we're just going to season our chicken wings. Going in with half teaspoon of my island spice chicken seasoning. Then I'm just going to add half teaspoon of my complete seasoning, quarter teaspoon of paprika. Then I'm going to add half teaspoon of onion powder, adding half teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose seasoning, going in with 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. Now we're just going to add our crushed red pepper sauce, so you can use any spicy sauce of your choice. So this is the one that I'm using. Adding 3 teaspoons of my natural seasoning. Mixing everything together. I want the seasonings to get straight into the chicken. Now that my chicken is nicely seasoned, I'm just going to cover it and place it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So for my dry ingredients to coat my chicken wings for frying, I'm going to use 1 cup of plain flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning. Then I'm going to go in with 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, just using a pinch of black pepper. Then we're just going to combine everything. So guys, I have taken my chicken wings out of the refrigerator. Now we're just going to coat our chicken in our dry ingredients so we can begin our frying process. So guys, I have removed my dry ingredients from my bowl and placed it in a Ziploc bag just to give it a quick shake. Now guys, our chicken wings are well coated. Now we're just going to dust off the excess flour and place them on the plate so we can fry them. So guys, in my oil I have 1 Scotch bonnet pepper and a garlic just to give my oil a little bit of flavor. Now we're just going to add our chicken wings. We're going to fry our chicken wings on each side until they're golden brown before we turn them on the other side. Guys, chicken wings are generally done within 10 to 12 minutes. So you just time your chicken wings. Ensure that you're watching the wings so they don't burn. So guys, our chicken is nicely golden brown, so now we're just going to turn them on the other side so that they can fry. So guys, after a total of 12 minutes, our chicken wings are nicely golden brown, so they are ready. Now we're just going to remove them from our oil. So guys, it is time to make our sauce. So I'm going to go in with 1 cup of ketchup. Then I'm going to add my crushed red pepper sauce. Going in with 1 teaspoon of my Cajun seasoning. Using half teaspoon of vinegar. Also adding some honey. Then just going to mix everything together and place it on the stove so it can simmer and thickens. So you want to let the sauce simmer and thickens until it reaches the consistency that you want. So guys, this consistency is perfect for me. So now I'm just going to remove my sauce from the stove. So guys, I have removed the sauce from the pot so I can add my chicken wings. Then I'm just going to place the sauce right on top of the wings and ensure that everything is nicely coated. We're just going to place our chicken wings on the stove once again for 2 minutes so that the sauce can thicken on the chicken wings. And that's it. So there you have it guys, our spicy Cajun chicken wings are nicely done. They are all ready. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for supporting my channel. Until I see you next time, bye guys.